Walla Walla Cake.
Gonna get a pet bird. Hey, 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 we're gonna get a pet bird. Hey, well, we're gonna get a pet bird. Hey, gonna get a pet bird. Hey.
So guys, one day I asked my father if I could have a bird for my birthday, and my birthday is coming up next month. So, and he said that he doesn't know. And then I said, now I want a bird now. So he just said that maybe Saturday that we'll get a bird, and today's Saturday, and we're gonna get a bird. I've been for the whole family though.
And what's the main reason why I'm gonna give you the bird?
Because my birthday's coming up soon.
Yeah, but what else?
Because I've never got a pet before.
No.
No, we got a fish.
Because
and turtles
school?
that died. Because school's over? No, because she's going to 4th grade.
Because of your report card, dude.
Oh, my report card was really good.
Yeah. You did very well in math, even though you were struggling and had to go to a tutor. You did a very good job, and you got much better. So the least I could do is give you a pet bird. Okay, so we are here.
Is there such thing as snailfish?
I don't know.
But these birds are so blue.
Sorry, they keep moving the contract.
It's okay, it's okay. So we're here with my kids and we're looking at some birds, and Ariel's gonna pick the bird that she wants.
So the bird that I want is the white and pretty bird.
Point to it so that everybody can see.
I'm gonna go on this side. The white bird that's right over here. The one with the very long tail.
Oh, okay. Over there.
So I'm gonna take it out.
Yeah, the lady's gonna come and she's gonna take it out.
I think either these two.
Huh?
I wanna take these. I wanna take both of these two.
We're only getting one.
Alright. I want the one. They all have like sharp nails. Oh, I want this one. The one with the very long tail.
Okay, when the lady comes, you tell her, okay?
Where is the?
All right, so we have our bird. The bird is at the cash register, and what we have here some bird food.
Wait, what is this? What is this?
That's a treat. That's a treat for the bird.
A treat for the bird? So it's not food?
It's like a snack. It's a snack.
So this is what I want for this. I want to like to hang at the top of the tree so that he could just fly and just like eat it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we could like tie a string and
So
just
where's
let it
the
hang.
bird?
And here's the bird cage
So
over
where's
here.
the bird?
At the front. Let's go pay for it now.
I cannot wait.
That's why I fixed your shirt.
And guess what? It only costs $21.
21? That is like so good because
I'm so glad that it's not expensive.
that is so cute.
What?
Look at that picture.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I think it was recording. Oh shoot, I'll edit it.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Say something or?
It's up to you.
Okay.
Hey kids. Ariel. Hi. Want film on
So
camera?
the bird is in here. Yeah, and there's holes so that we've got this food. Yeah. We've got this to sleep on. We've got a big stick.
And we had something to play on.
No. Yeah, he got this thing to stand on.
We got this.
So I'm gonna name it Blue Snowflake since I saw a little bit blue on it and it's white.
Yeah, blue snowflake. And there's like a cage, a big cage for it.
Blue Snowflake? Okay, I like that name.
Yeah.
I
Wait,
think I like it.
are you really gonna put this on YouTube, Daddy?
Duh, yes.
On our page.
How much?
On the page.
Your total has come to $87.88 right here.
8780 is. My father is taking forever to just finish this thing.
Whatever. It's not as easy as it looks.
Well, it should be easy.
It really should be, am I right? It's okay, it says.
This is exactly why I wanted someone to help. Like, just at least bring our uncle from downstairs or grandpa, somebody. Come on! Just little help. So the little birdie is right in that box. And it got those little holes for it to breathe.
Can you zoom in that?
Later in we saw it trying to escape. So I'm gonna see if you could like
See through the holes and stuff.
if we could let you see it. Could you see it? Could you? Let me like
It cannot see that. But it can't see this.
these oh, that is nothing.
I know, right? This
Could you
thing
see
is really
something?
dark in there.
Could you?
I can.
Alright, you can't. You cannot.
Because we looked through that phone and it did.
Well, but if we look through here, we could see it.
Yeah. So anyway.
But when Dad finally finishes.
You might see it try to escape the house.
So I don't know how we're gonna actually like get it in the cage.
Yeah.
When we open the box.
It might try to escape, right? Because
Yeah.
because we saw it trying to scratch it through these holes.
Yeah, but it didn't work. So I don't think it would escape.
Well, but I think it would try to escape once we open this box. But we're gonna have to try and get it. If it goes through that hallway, I'm not trying to go hard on that, kid.
So our father's just trying to figure out how to set it up. And so far, it's been a failure.
So, yeah, absolute failure. And you're showing me no encouragement either. Thank you. It says.
You're welcome.
Whatever. It says, hook the panels together by beginning at the bottom corner arrow and by flexing the mesh, weaving the alternating hooks together up the seam. Yeah, I don't get it either. You know, before
Can we just go ask somebody for help?
Like literally.
Grandpa, Uncle, what else? We got the bird cage fixed. Right now we're putting in the accessories.
Yeah, we got it fixed because we took it back to PetSmart because this thing is hard to fix. Even the lady that works there had a hard time putting this cage together, but we got it done. Or she got
Yeah,
it done.
so we put some stuff in it.
Where's the wood?
The wood?
Where?
Oh, the fake wood? It's
Yeah.
probably in here.
It's not in there.
What happened to it?
I don't know. Did it come out the bag when?
Maybe it's in the car.
In the car? What?
We'll
Maybe.
take the time out. Take a pause. Pause then.
All right, so we'll see you when we get it back. So we couldn't find the fake stick.
Stick that looks real, really real. Because I think
Okay.
Ariel.
Hi. So the cage is set up, right, for the most part. Now the bird
I think it's gonna
is
fly.
in
out.
here.
I think it's gonna fly out.
Now, I'm tired. Now,
All right, so how about this? Someone has to open it, and then someone else and then some other hand has to try and get it. So how about you try to get it, and I'll open
I'm
it.
not gonna get it. I need somebody to hold this open for me. Well, you go on this side, hold it open. Adonai, you hold it open on this side.
So, but who's gonna open it?
I'm gonna open it.
But who's gonna get it for you?
We're gonna, as soon as it gets in there, we're gonna close it, okay? Come over here. Come
But
over
how do you know it would go in there?
I'm so scared.
Please. Please, God, make this work.
Is it blue?
Blue snowflake.
Okay, wait. Is he dead?
No.
He's not
It
dead.
moved. Or how about someone takes it?
No. Don't.
So guys, we finally got the bird in the cage. It's
Yeah.
right here. We put some water in it for it to drink.
And
Our dad gave us did a brilliant idea. I wish we record it, but Dad said to stop the video. So
Yeah.
he's in the cage, and everything is fine. But for some reason, it's not on that.
yeah, but he could swing on that, but I don't think that he wants to do it right now. I think he's hungry and he wants something to eat.
So Dad is opening the bird food.
You got it in there.
Yep.
And he's gonna eat it quite quickly.
If he's hungry.
Yeah, if he's hungry, let's just let him be then.
All right.
Have his
Here's Snowflake.
privacy. Snowflake, better not. Eat up.
Okay.
I don't think it's hungry right now.
I think he's a little bit scared because,
There's
new
people.
home, a new cage, and he got out of the cage. So,
Snowflake.
don't put your finger there.
Why not?
You don't know. He might,
Snowflake. He might what?
I don't know, attack you.
The last
He's just
time,
getting to know us.
when we tried to put it there, Ariel put her finger there and it poked her and it tickled. It didn't hurt. It tickled her.
Yeah. What's up, guys? So we got a second bird. So that the bird that we already
So, hold that
got
open.
Won't get lonely and die.
Nicole,
won't die of loneliness,
hold this one open.
because that could actually happen.
That's right, hold this one open. Good. As soon as it gets in there,
Close it.
the gate.
Close the gate.
Close it.
Okay. They're not-
Okay, that was weird.
Can we get this one in there?
Oh shoot, yeah. They're not really interacting.
He's checking her out though.
So we think we bought a girl. This one down here, it's kind of grayish more than bluish, right?
No, it's kind of bluish.
I don't know. But they're saying that they're saying that they think it's a female based on the beak.
And stuff.
So, alright, so wait, Aria, what's the bird's name?
Then
Oh,
Calm down, guys.
scared. Can we show them the second bird? Downstairs.
Alright.
so
So-
here's the new one, right?
Now it won't die. Yay.
Leave him alone.
He's scared. He's like, what can I do?
We did that in the night. And
Leave him alone.
Alright, so they're just checking each other out, getting to know each other, I think.
The girl's still traumatized. She don't know what just happened, where she is.
Yeah.
but it really sounds like a bird.
That's a pigeon.
No, that's a hawk. Stop that.
Or something.
Okay. Look at it though. So there are our two birds.
There are two birds.
Snowflake and...
No, that's Powder.
Okay.
We changed it from Snowflake to Powder.
So Powder and...
Blue Snowflake? No.
We don't know yet. We'll get back to that.
Dandelion! No, not Dandelion.